Imagine this, you will spend months, maybe even a year, building your offline website, writing content, doing keyword research, building backlinks, and then one morning you wake up, open Google Search Console, and your traffic has dropped 80% overnight. Gone. Just like that, that is not a hypothetical, this has happened to thousands of real website owners in 2006. And most of them had no idea why. But here's the thing, Google don't randomly attract them. There's a very specific, calculated reasons why after sites keep getting wiped out. And by the end of this video, you will understand exactly what that reason is and what you can actually do about it. Stay with me, this is all important. In the next 10 minutes, I am going to break down why Google has been systematically drinking affiliate content. The exact signals Google is to identify and analyze thin affiliate sites, what separates the sites that survived from those that got wiped out, and the honest, realistic strategy to build affiliate content that actually holds up long-term, no magic formulas. No do this the on-trick nonsense. This is a real picture based on data, real examples, and lessons I have been learned the hard way building my own affiliate online projects. Let's get into it. Okay, so let me set the scene. For years, ruthlessly 2018 to 2022, after marketing ads were almost like a loophole. And you could publish a best budget laptops article, step in the affiliate links, rank on page on Google, and collect commissions every month with barely the real effort and lot of page figure this out. The internet got flopped and with every sites within the content that had said nothing original. Sites that accepted purely of content clicks that earn commissions and real fill of the reader. Now here's something important to understand about Google's business model. Google makes money from search advertising. And for Google to keep making this money, people need to trust Google search results. And users keep clicking on the search result and leading on the garbage content. Content that does not actually answer their question, they stop using Google, they go to Reddit, they go to YouTube and to AI tools. So Google had a business intercept, so clean up search results, and that's exactly what they did. Between 2022 and now, Google has rolled out a series of updates significantly targeting low quality, unhelpful content, and other sites were directly in these scenarios. Now let's talk about what Google's algorithm is actually looking for when it takes the dominant and after sites. There are the four main signals. I call them four danger flags. Danger flag number 1, low originality. Google can now detect when content does not add new information in the past internet. But your best headphones under $300 and Excel says the exact something things as 40 other articles. Same product, same descriptions, same structure. Google sees as the redundant, it has a lower quality scores and gets buried. Danger flag number 2, the first hand experience. That's a huge and it became a major ranking factor after Google's experience update. Google actively rewards content within this by someone who has also used the product or tested the thing they are writing about. If your after review article sounds like it was written by someone with just read the Amazon product page because it was straight red flag. Danger flag number 3, thin purpose. Google's quality raters and real humans and the outlet search results are trained to ask, does this page exact how the user or does it exact to make money? If your answer is clearly just to make money, the site loses authority over the time. Danger flag number 4, poor EEAT signals. EEAT stands for experience, expertness, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. It's on the Google score quality framework, a faceless website with anonymous authors, not about pages, no real credentials. It scores low and EEAT, and low EEAT sites have been disparately hit by recent updates. Here's a sheet that pulls hits then positive. According to also analysts from Tracking 2006, core update sites that scored a low and originality and hit highs after links destroy so average traffic drops from 60 to 75%. That's a not small adjustment. That's a well played out. You know, when the first started learning as back in 2022, I thought I had figured out. I was a student at Trivandrum Government College in the time, balancing SC studies and trying to build something online. And I remember thinking, okay, I just needed to write keyword optimized content and after links, and that's the traffic will come. I was completely wrong, and honestly, my biggest lesson don't come from success, it comes from a project A launch called World in CPA, I built it thinking, I know what people wanted. I threw out a was creating value, but it failed badly. What I eventually realized is that I was building for the algorithm, not for the person. And here's the untrigger, the asides were trying to be outsmart the algorithm are exact studies that Google figured it out how to crash. Because Google is not just watching keywords anymore. It's trying to predict all a real person find this generally useful. That shift changed everything for me when I stopped thinking about content that traffic machines and thinking about it general helpful research. That's when things actually started working. I'm not saying that's the lecture error. I'm saying it because I watched a lot of people in the Apple space refuse to make this mindset shift. And that's our own ways sides of the going. Now, okay, here's the part of this actually matters because some Apple sites don't just survive those updates. They throw what I did have in the common. Survival factor number 1. Real authority identified. The sites that survived that real people went them a name of face, a bio, and about page that told a general story, not a fake persona, an actual human with actual experience. Google's algorithm rewards this, so does trust from real readers. Survival factor number 2. Original research for testing. The sites that grow were owns publishing this own nobody else heard, actual hands-on products, test, original surveys, unique data, competition team works they created themselves. When you publish something that does not exist anywhere else on the internet, Google has a reason to rank you because you are failing at a gap. Survival factor number 3. Topical depth, not breadth. The Spency and the Princey approach. Rolling about 200 different unrelated topics hoping something ranks. That's dead. The site that survived went to drop a featured niche. Because they got in refused and specific topic, topical authority is now one of the strongest signals in Google's ranking system. Survival factor number 4. Content that answers the full question. Google's helpful content system tries to evaluate after reading this, does the user have to go back to Google to find more information? If the answer is yes, your content failed. The winning sites that also her readers get everything they need it on place. Think about that like a mechanic diagnosis, and I say because I actually spent time working as a mechanic back in 2018. A good machine does not just fix a standoff. They trace the problem to the root. Good content does the same thing. It answers every question the readers had and answer all of them. So what do you actually do? What the all of this? And here's the realistic, honest framework I did give anyone building affiliates content in 2026. Step 1. Build your identify fast. Before you write a single article, establish who you are, what's your experience, what you do actually know, what you have to test it, and the personal creativity is content strategy now. Step number 2. Choose depth over follow. Pick on narrow niche and go extremely deep. Don't try to cover anything. Be the person who knows more about the things and anyone else online. Step 3. Add original value to every single page. For every single article, ask yourself what I am adding that is not already out there. Original completion, personal test, unique perspective, and if you cannot answer that question, you don't publish the article yet. Step 4. Build and humans optimize for search. In that order, write for a real person reading at 11 p.m. on their phone trying to make a decision. The optimize for search, not the other way around. Step 5. Play a long game. I want to be honest with here. The S approach to the long game. You don't see results in 30 days. You might not significant results in 90 days, but the sites being built this way right now in the ones that's still staying in those 3 years. When the next wave on the sites built for shortcuts God gets opened out again, I am building maximum marketing on the foundation. Not because that's the easiest path, but because it's the only one that's actually sustainable. Here's the bottom line. Google is not randomly attacking our sites. It's doing exactly what our search engine is supposed to do. Rewarding content that generally helps people and filtering out content that exists purely to extract clicks and commissions. The affiliate marketers who are struggling right now to build their strategy around gaming and the algorithm, the ones who are going to build their strategy around genuinely serving an audience. That's not normal lecture. That's just really of how the game works in 2026. And the honest truth is, it actually is a better game now because it means real effort, real examples, and real value actually get rewarded. The shortcut don't work anymore, but the fundamentals have been stronger. In this video, give you a clear picture of what's happening and what to do about it. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you currently building an website? Where are you in the process? I read every comment and I'll actually respond if you are here new. I'm Roy, or know me, also known as CP Bishajit. I'm 20 years old, digital marketer from Bangladesh. I run massive marketing. I share honest, data-driven content about website marketing, SEO, and building real online businesses without the flop, not the fake growth step. Hit the subscribe button if that sounds like what you are looking for. There's a lot of more coming. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.